Calendly integrates with Google Calendar to streamline scheduling. However, you might need to disconnect for privacy, data management, or troubleshooting. This video guides you through the process and explains why it's essential to disconnect cleanly to prevent lingering access or data issues. As of 2026, disconnecting is crucial for maintaining data control and adapting to privacy-focused updates. Calendly uses OAuth 2.0 to request access to your Google Calendar API. This allows it to view your availability and add events. When you connect, Google prompts you for permissions like view and edit events. Understanding this integration is key to appreciating the importance of a clean disconnect. Calendly accesses only availability windows and event details. It doesn't store full calendar data, but disconnecting halts this access. To disconnect Google Calendar from Calendly, start by navigating to Calendly's settings. Look for the settings icon in the top right corner of your Calendly dashboard. Once in settings, find and click on the integrations section. This is where all your connected services are managed. In the integrations page, locate Google Calendar. Click on it and select the disconnect option. This will begin the disconnection process. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Confirm to proceed with disconnecting Google Calendar. Here's what the Calendar Connections page might look like in Calendly. You can see the Google Calendar option and the Disconnect button. Once confirmed, Calendly will revoke the access tokens, stopping all synchronization between your Google Calendar and Calendly. This process typically takes under 2 minutes. Ensure you receive a confirmation notification to verify the disconnect was successful. If you experience issues, try clearing your browser cache or using incognito mode. A clean disconnect means Calendly automatically purges cached event data upon removal. This reduces security risks. Manually delete any Calendly-generated events from Google Calendar post-disconnect. This ensures no lingering data remains and prevents potential scheduling conflicts. Calendly has implemented bug fixes in 2025 to ensure clean disconnects are more reliable. If disconnection fails, it could be due to multiple Google accounts. Calendly may struggle to identify which account to disconnect from. Clear your browser cache or use incognito mode. This can resolve issues where cached data interferes with the disconnection process. Check Google account, security, third-party apps to ensure Calendly's access is revoked. This provides direct confirmation from Google's side. Contact Calendly support if issues persist. Their team can provide personalized assistance for complex disconnection problems. Following the 2025 hack attempt, Calendly implemented patches, making immediate verification crucial. Always confirm disconnection is complete. After disconnecting Google Calendar from Calendly, manually review your Google Calendar for any remaining Calendly-generated events. Delete any Calendly-generated events you find to complete the cleanup. If you need a record, export your Calendly events using Calendly's API before disconnecting. This manual cleanup provides enhanced data control, which is especially important for solopreneurs and freelancers concerned about data privacy. Trends in 2025 to 2026 show a shift toward decentralized scheduling and selective integrations. Calendly is moving towards AI-driven smart disconnects for predictive cleanup. Future developments include deeper privacy tools like automated data erasure post-disconnect. Expect regulatory pushes for one-click global disconnects to align with EU AI Act enforcement. In 2025 and 2026, there's a growing shift toward decentralized scheduling, where users prefer tools that give them more control over their data rather than relying on centralized platforms. Selective integrations are becoming more popular, allowing people to connect only specific calendars while keeping others private. Calendly is adopting AI-driven smart disconnects that can predict and clean up potential overlaps before removal. This makes the process smoother and helps prevent scheduling conflicts. Looking ahead, expect deeper privacy tools, such as automated data erasure after disconnecting calendars. This will reduce manual cleanup and enhance user control over personal information. Regulatory changes, particularly the EU AI Act, are pushing for one-click global disconnects across all calendar integrations. This ensures compliance and makes privacy management easier for users worldwide. Experts recommend using third-party tools like Zapier, to automate processes after disconnecting your calendar. Monthly audits of your calendar integrations are advised to maintain privacy and security. While Calendly's disconnect process is user-friendly, performing a thorough cleanup afterward is crucial. Statistics show that 65% of users disconnect at least one calendar annually for security reasons. Overall, prioritize user sovereignty and data control in your calendar management.